Could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white, I could be every color you like.
Alrighty, so this is a webinar and also a recording in terms of how to use the IndicatorBOT. But before we go into the IndicatorBOT, let me introduce how IndicatorPRO came about. During the pandemic, I was playing with Tradingview right here, and I had realized that a lot of these indicators that are listed here are, first of all, they're very many. And when you look at the indicators that are listed all here, one of the things that they have in common is that they're all delayed. They're not real time. They're lagging indicators. It's telling you the history of what already took place. And then from there, you're supposed to figure it out. And it does help. But the IndicatorPRO basically is something that is actually, present time, real and active. These buy and sell signals actually pop while the trading is going on, So this would have nothing, and then all of a sudden a sell signal would pop, and you'll be able to trade actively from the charts. But after several revisions and whatnot, I came down to this 3-panel way of doing things. And without going too deep into it, in this weekly channel, weekly chart right here, I'm able to see the overall direction. Today we're looking at Rent-A-Center, and it has been negative for quite a while, actually all of 2022. There have been relief rallies here as well, but by and large it's been negative. So when I look at the weekly, I'm just looking at this. The pattern is a 222 bearish continuation, okay? And then I'm looking at the weekly, monthly, quarterly, and all three of them have down arrows, which tells me that it's bearish in major charts. The weekly chart here, but also the monthly and quarterly chart, it has been bearish for quite a while. So Rent-A-Center is a good entry for a put, right? So then right here on the upper left corner, what we're looking basically is the indicator. Okay, that's the indicator right there. Okay, and there are buy and sell signals. Okay, and from here on, you see the sell signal, and this is the overall trend. And if we were swinging for a couple of months, or even like half a year, you could have started from here and then just let it ride all the way down until there's a buy signal. So close your puts here. And then the next time you have a sell signal, there's no confirmation. This one is a sell signal with confirmation, with higher volume. And you could have entered a put right here, okay? And just let it ride actually all the way till the earnings that took place. And sure enough, after the earnings, Rent-A-Center tanked. And this would have been a nice home run, okay? So this is used for swings. If you want to be able to trade it over a period of a couple of weeks or a couple of months, this is the panel for it. Okay, now for day traders, this is what we have right here, and it's a 10-minute panel, and we're looking at several things. Okay, so let me start by voila. Okay, so this is the indicator pro on a 10-minute channel. Okay, but looking at this, it just seems to have pretty much sunk and done very little. but actually there was a lot of profit on this. Yesterday, I think it went up to as high as 25%, and then he closed down from there. Okay, so a couple of things that we're looking for is number one, we're looking for obviously a drop like this. We're looking for the sell signal. We're looking for the yellow crossing over the blue, so you have what you call a modified death cross. But then we also are looking at, on a day trade anyway, we're looking at two more additional confirmations. And that is the thick yellow line here is the VWAP, okay, which is the volume weighted average price. And you want to, on a put or a sell, you want to make sure that it's below that. And the 5-minute orb is the open range boundaries. So this is something new that was added into TradingView that has been extremely helpful. And so that way, whenever the stock trades outside of the opening range, then it confirms the direction of that ticker. So right from 940, you already see it trading outside of it. So here it popped out, and then 940 it traded outside, even closed outside. So this was the entry for RCII, and so we were able to put a trade on this. I called it out, and we were able to take it all the way down to the end of day, where it ended like basically 21% down. So we went from 13% down to 25. So it paid up real nicely on puts. Okay, now in terms of day trading, you can look at this, and if you're looking at just one stock or two, that's very manageable. But I was looking at 10 different stocks on a daily basis, and I couldn't flip through all of them and try to keep track of it. Otherwise, I'd be just stuck watching the screen like every single moment. Okay, and so what I decided to do was I need a bot, a programming that would actually read what I am looking to read, and it would spit out the results. And sure enough, that is the birth of the IndicatorBOT, where instead of just looking at 2 or 3 stocks, we're able to look at here you go. So this was yesterday. I have about 10 to 12 stocks that are good potential moves that have shown possible entries. And so I changed this on a daily basis and add it into here. And then I run the bot for everyone in our group. Okay, so we get the open range, we get the VWAP, we get previous confirmation of the previous day, and things like that. And whenever a particular stock gives confirmations where you are like 6 for 6 as a high percentage winning entry, the bot would automatically send out a signal. Okay, so we would have so this is, for example, how the bot is set up, and it would send out a signal. So here's Apple sell. This was a good entry on Thursday at 142.80 for Apple. It sent out a signal. Not only did it have a day confirmation, the IndicatorPRO actually flashed the sell signal. There was an EMA confirmation, a VWAP confirmation, volume. There was above average volume confirmation, and then orb. So the 5-minute orb was broken. And so because it was able to check off all of these 6 boxes, it threw out a a signal. And so that way I was able to take a look at this, jump in to the day trade, double check just in case. And once it confirmed, I was able to enter it. So I entered it, I posted it, and everybody who took Apple on Thursday came out an easy 12 to 20% winner, depending on when they closed it. Okay, so that's how the indicator bot works. It automatically sends the signal not only on our Discord, but we also have a Telegram channel right there. So that way you get it on your phone. So your phone, and we have everybody putting in a specific notice. So that way when the IndicatorPRO bot, the bot is giving the signal, it gives you a particular sound. So you know that of all the other rings, this is important. There's a trade alert that's being sent in real time. So you look at that over there, Apple, all you got to do is just click Apple, go right into it. Let's do that right now. Go right into it and take a look and go, oh, look, this was the Thursday one. Oh, look, yeah, this is a great entry right there. 29, yeah. So this is a great entry. So you hop in and you're able to ride Apple all the way down, even though there's a buy signal, it's below VWAP. So you could have taken it down to either here or here. So it all depends on how people decide to get in or out of their entries, as long as it's a winning entry and you're turning green, because any green is better than any red. So that's what the indicator bot does. It gives you confirmation, typically all 6. And when you have all 6, you have a high percentage win. You can win 90% to 100% of your trades and make profit. So that's what it does. Now, what it does not do is give you a specific option entry, like where to enter and things like that. So that's where I come in and I put out my call outs right here. So based upon a lot of the trades that we did, I would put out the call outs right here. Okay. And I would put in a particular entry, particular option, at what price. And the rule of thumb, by and large, is at least 30 days to, Abe is coming in. Welcome, Abe. He's connecting so far. Hey, welcome, Abe. You're catching us in the middle of things, so you'll be able to catch up the front half very easily. Actually, you are a charter member, so everything that I've covered so far, Abe, you already know. And we're actually getting right into the stuff that is brand new. So when we get a Autobot alert, okay, you want to be able to look at that and go, okay, so yes, 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 yes. We're getting all of these confirmations. IndicatorPRO sell, day confirmation. The previous day was a bearish, okay? EMA confirmation, it's a death cross, bearish. VWAP confirmation is below it. There's a higher above average volume, so that's a confirmation. And then it's trading below the orb of that given day. So you have a high percentage winning entry there. So you're able to enter that particular trade. Now, so it tells you where you can enter and how to enter. but it does not give you options. Okay, so with options, you will have to come up with entries. And so what I have done with those entries is basically I would give the specific option dates that I enter in. Okay, some of them are shorter, some of them are longer, but by and large, you want to do it at least 30 days to expiration, and you want to follow the overall trend of the market. So for example, the overall trend on Thursday as well as Friday, it was bearish. Okay. Devon Energy flashed a buy, so it was going against the sentiment of the market. So that is a risky trade. That would have to be a day trade, and that actually also paid out and made money. But you had to watch it. Every 10 minutes you had to watch it and pick your take profits and stop loss. Okay, so by and large, when you enter an option, you want to be able to enter with the overall trend of the market. So follow the trend. Okay, right now we are short-term bearish, long-term bearish, which is great. So anytime there's a sell, it's easier to get in with more confidence. If it's a buy, you have to be careful. Okay, and if you lose, but at least you know how much you're going to lose, because the next thing you want to be able to do is set your stop loss and take profit. Okay, now before we get into stop loss and take profit, okay, once you enter a particular trade, how do you find support and resistance? There are two ways. Okay, number one is you go here to more technicals, and you can find the pivot points right here. Here's your classic, here's your Fibonacci, Camarilla, Woody. So Fibonacci is the one that we follow, and the pivot point is 163.50. Okay, so and then support is 156.24, resistance is 170.77. So you can mark off your chart that way and say, okay, these are the areas that I'm going to watch for support and resistance. Or a second way, which it's already set on the IndicatorPRO that I've sent out to everyone who has it. You just open it up like that, and voila. So for example, Thursday, your support would have been 148.37. Your resistance would have been 158.98. Okay, so use the daily Fibonacci to set your day trades support and resistance. When it broke, okay, then the next support is 137.76 right there. Okay, so as long as it doesn't hit that or bounce off of that, you have the potential of being able to continually hold this. For me, Apple was a day trade. So at the end of the day, I closed it. I actually hit my target profit. But you could have held it into a swing trade and let it run. As a matter of fact, if you started over here in August 19th, August 20th would have been, no, August 22nd would have been your entry, right? You could have swung this particular trade from the 22nd all the way to the end of September 30th, okay? So you would have made a major killing, okay? So swing trades, low stress, a lot of profit. Day trade is a lot more excitement. Hit your profit, get out. Because if every single day you can hit 10% get out, 10% get out, you know, your money is not at risk the next day. There's no stress about the next day in terms of the news impacting the market. Your money is in cash. Okay, so it all depends on how you want to do it. If, for example, you were entering a sell and it went the other way, okay, and you're losing, that's when you want to set your stop loss and take profit. Okay, now when you set your stop loss, if it is narrow, like 10%, 20%, on an option, you're going to get kicked out. Okay, and you're going to take a loss on that one. But if it is 30%, 40%, you have a higher chance of profitability because, again, you're following the overall trend of the market. You're following the short-term trend of the market. You're following even the trend of the stock. And Apple has been on a downtrend since August 22nd. Okay, so if this was a loser, wait a few days and it would have been a winner. Okay, so always trade with the trend, and that way you can have a bigger stop loss. So for me, the stop loss is at 30%. These days, in order to remove the emotions out of it, I just put it in after the trade. I just put in 30% is my stop loss, and if it hits it and gets out, I'll take the loss, move on, next trade. Okay, because what I'm looking for is all of those profits, that 90% winners. Okay, and so depends on how you want to do it. Your take profit. So the take profit could be 1-to-1, 1.5-to-1, or even 2-to-1 of your trade. So if you're 40% stop loss, then no, excuse me, if it's a 20% stop loss, then you can make it a 40% take profit. If it's a 30% stop loss, you can make a 60% take profit. And I've had days where it would just hit, one after the other, after the other, after the other. So that's totally up to you. It's based upon, what your resistance happens to be. Okay, so that's the wherewithal of support, resistance, and take profit. I know a couple of people were asking about how to do that in relation to the IndicatorBOT. Okay, so we can definitely do that and choose your own medicine, so to speak. All right, now affiliate registration. Okay, this is where you want to go. So this is where you go to the affiliate page. Okay, and it walks you through how to become an affiliate. Okay, you start earning 15% commissions on each sale by anybody using your affiliate link. Okay, and once you reach 100, okay, which is really quite easy, all right, but once you reach 100 sales, you will be it gets increased by 5% each and every time, and it'll be capped at a 50%. Okay, so once you hit 100, so from 100 on, it'll be 50%. Okay, so if you have, let's say, 200 people signing on through your link, okay, you're easily looking at we're doing it at $29.95, so you're easily looking at about $2,000 of passive income each and every month. You're not doing anything, you're not trading, it just takes you there. Okay, and it's very easy to be able to share that, especially if you're making profit through the IndicatorBOT and it's paying out, it's doing better than anything that's out there. As a matter of fact, there are bots that are out there that's on sale. It's being advertised everywhere. They're like $70 to $99 per month. Okay, and as to how well they work, I don't know, but I do know that ours works at around 85 to 95%, I'll say. It all depends on the market. It all depends really on how you take profit and do the stop loss. Okay, so once you sign up, okay, create your Gumroad account. Okay, sign up as an affiliate to IndicatorPRO. You'll have your own link, and then with that link, that's what you're going to share with anybody who is interested in what you're using. Okay, so if you're talking to somebody on Discord, on StockTwit, on Facebook, on Reddit, and you're DMing each other and helping each other out, and they're asking you, hey, so what's working for you? What are you doing? You can tell them that this is what I'm using. Okay, you can send them this video, and you can share your affiliate page. Okay, and the affiliate page, once you give them that link, they'll come to this, okay, to the main page. Okay, so there won't be any other information. It'll look exactly like it looks right now. Okay, but when they sign up through this thing, let's say a Discord, okay, and they go in there and they sign up, you will get paid. Okay, it'll keep track of your affiliate number, and you will get paid through that. Okay, so share the video first, and if they like what they see, send them the link, and they'll be able to sign up. Okay, now the Discord membership as of right now, October 1st, is only $24.95. Okay, but the IndicatorBOT is what adds value. Okay, so once we launch it, which we're and it'll launch once the beta is over. Okay, once we launch it, it'll be $39.95 a month. Okay, so $39.95. All it takes is like one winner to come through, one winner that you weren't thinking of trading, but it came through your phone, and you check the alert, and you go, boom, okay, let me enter in, and it pays you 5%, 10%. That already pays for that monthly easily. Okay, but that's without any link, somebody just coming in right here. Okay, however, as of now, once we launch, they have to have an affiliate link from you. And if you're the one who sent it to them and they use your link, okay, they will have 3 weeks free of the Discord, the Autobot, the IndicatorBOT, all the premium callouts, everything is 3 weeks free. And thereafter is $29.95 a day, less than $1 a day. Okay, that's what's going to cost them. Okay, now for you, after your 100th referral signing on, okay, the 101st person that signs up, okay, 50% of that money is yours. That's your referral fee every single month, recurring. Okay, so that is how that works. And Abe is right back here. Abe, can you hear me? Abe? All right. Oh, good. So just finished up sharing how right now, if anybody comes into IndicatorPRO shop and signs up, the Discord is $24.95 monthly. Okay, so yeah, you'd be able to listen in on the recording as well. So the way it's going to work is, so right now we're pre-launch, we're still in beta. Okay, but once we launch, without the link, anybody who signs up, through our Facebook page or through my LinkedIn page, Anybody who signs up using our regular website, it's $39.95 a month. Okay, so that's what they'll pay, and that's what's going to take for them to, and really it's well worth it, because there are trading bots out there that are $70 to $99 a month. Okay, so this is well worth it. We're way underpricing it for now because we're launching. I hope one day I can charge as much as that, but for now, it's $39.95 a month, and they get the benefit of the IndicatorBOT, the premium callouts, the support, the Zoom training, and things like that. Okay, but if they use a link, okay, which has to come from you when you're talking to your friends, if they use the link, okay, they get 3 weeks free of everything that they see here, and their monthly cost will be only $29.95 a month. So that's a savings of $120 right there. Okay, so it motivates people to not just sign up, randomly. It motivates them to actually make sure to, hey, I need to find an affiliate link. I need to find somebody. And because they talk to you last, or they talk to you first, they'll reach out to you and say, hey, what's your affiliate link? Let me sign up, because they much rather pay $1 a day rather than, $40 a month. Okay, so that is the program. Okay, and for the affiliate page, click affiliate, and that's where you want to sign up. Okay, create your account, sign up as an affiliate for IndicatorPRO, and you'll get your own link. Okay, so it'll look something like this. Okay, but when they click that, they will see this. They will see that, IndicatorPRO, because the main product is the IndicatorPRO. Okay, so they get to see a quick 2-minute video on how the IndicatorPRO works. They can go to the product on view page. Okay, and hello. No, that's here we go. Where is it? Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so it's 175. And guess what? When they sign up and they buy this, you also get a referral fee for their purchase. Okay, so that's 15% of that as well. So great opportunity to, once you have 200 people signing up, some people buying actually, eventually the majority of people will buy the IndicatorPRO. People signing up for the bot and the premium membership. When you have 200 people, you're easily looking at over $2,000 a month of passive income. Okay, so that's the opportunity that's there. Not only can you make money passively, but you also continually make money trading. Okay, so if you have any questions, reach out to me, reach out to Kyle. But that's the opportunity that we have made, and hopefully it excites you to pass the word around. And again, don't just willy-nilly post it like spammers do, because nobody takes that seriously. But reach out to DM with people and other traders that you know on other Discord groups, other Facebook groups, Reddit, stock tweets, Twitter, any social media where you can connect with other traders who are interested in something like this. And you can tell them, it's like, this is the result I'm having, it's working out for me. It's like printing money, man. Come join us. And if you are telling that to them, and you can show them, screenshots of your winning trades, they'll stick. They'll stick for months and years. Okay, so that's that. I don't want to beat a dead horse, so to speak. And I think we're done. So Abe, Laval, thank you for joining our mini webinar, and I'll post this up, and you can have it available. All right, take care, guys. Let's see.